things that you can use, okay, that you can use to promise when you are promising. No, now that's not how we do it in this channel. You know, we promise with sense, you know. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some serums that you can use to promise that doesn't cause knuckles, it doesn't give you skin damage, it doesn't give you knuckles, it doesn't give you uneven skin tone. It gives you a very clean and a blended skin tone. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share this video. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell to be updated each time I drop any video in this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive straight into the video. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of tuning in here, thank you so much and God bless you. And if you're my returning subscriber, I love you guys so much for all your support, for always sticking on in this channel. Thank you. I appreciate you a whole lot. I appreciate you guys a whole lot. God bless you all. For me, and if it's the first time of coming across my channel or seeing my face, my name is Vivian Arus, the founder of Organicskincare. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some serums that you can use to promise like serums that is very good, that you don't like, that doesn't spoil the skin or damage your skin. Okay, so and these serums are so effectively, like my previous video I dropped right about Easy Glow or thereabouts. Yes, I did a review on Easy Glow, and some people was asking me the kind of serum they can use to promise. Like, you know, I talked about in those in that review, I talked about lotions that you can use if you're a caramel that want to tone up your skin, and for somebody who wants to achieve a half cast look and yellow undertone and milk undertone, thereabouts. Yes, I think yes. So many people are asking me the kind of serum they can as well incorporate if they want to achieve milk undertone or yellow undertone, the kind of serum they can as well incorporate to the cream to achieve a good result. So I try to come up with this video to make this short video to show you guys this serum, just few serum that you can add, and to the lotion you can as well add it with. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, join this family, like, share this video, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like and share this video. Okay, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel, guys. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So the number one serum I'm going to be talking about is this serum. Okay, this serum, I don't know if you see it, most of us know this serum, but any serum or any review I make in this channel, please endeavor getting the original one for you to get the perfect results. Endeavor getting, no, all these exaggerated products are all over everywhere in the market. So when getting, endeavor to get the original one. Don't tell me that I made a review and the things you say I should buy, I bought it and they are not working or something like that, or I put up a recipe here and you tell me that it didn't work. Did you get the original recipe? Did you get the original ingredients to make that recipe, or did you get the original products to use? Please, that is very important. That is the first thing we should consider when getting our ingredients or anything at all that we want to use for our formulation or our promising or want to put on in our skin. It's very important, please. So the number one I'm going to be talking about is this one. This is Gluta plus kojic extra forte. this serum is so strong. Like, this serum is so strong. Like, it's so effective. That is what I mean. Okay, this serum is so effective. You can use it to promise, and this comes out so lovely. Like, you know, lately I found out that it's no skin free milk. Okay, if you use skin free milk in promising some creams, some skins react to skin free milk. Okay, some skin react to skin free milk. So that is why sometimes I find this as a substitute to skin free milk. Okay, so you can use this as a substitute to skin free milk, because this is very strong whitening serum. Okay, so, and it's a milk, is a like a milk serum. All right, and this is so amazing. All right, this serum is just so amazing. It's so lovely. You can use it to promise your lotion, and it comes out very good, like very lovely. You can as well use this to promise your easy glow lotion, like the review I made, the particular one I talked about that gives a milk undertone or white undertone. Yes, you can use this serum. For those of you asking me the serum they can use to promise that particular lotion, this is good. You can use this to promise that easy glow, the one that I talked that gives milk or whitish undertone. Okay, you can use this serum to promise that lotion, and believe me, it comes out very lovely. The result is so amazing. Okay, so you can screenshot this. Let me bring it closer for you guys. You can screenshot this and buy, or endeavor to get the original one. It's very important. Anything I drop out here, when getting it, endeavor to buy the original one. I don't know if you have screenshot this. Okay, so screenshot this and buy it, or buy the original one. Use this. You can use it to promise your easy glow, any other lotion. Like, seriously, milkish lotion, just use this serum to promise it. Is so amazing. It's lovely. This, you can use this to replace your skin free milk. For those of you who always complain that whenever they add skin free milk to their formulation or to their cream, it causes the like white patches. Many of you complain that a whole lot to me, and also I have gotten many people complains about that. Some people, what I understand about skin free milk, maybe they are buying the exaggerated ones, I don't know. Okay, but people complain that whenever they add skin free milk to their creams, it's intent causing them white patches. But maybe at the early stage it goes well on the skin, but at the wrong one, okay, they notice white patches on the skin. So I noticed that, and anybody that complains that to me, I tell them to go on with this Gluta plus kojic extra fruits, and they come back with good reviews. You can as well give this a try, and if you use it to promise your easy glow, believe me, you will love it. You will love it. Just use this serum then with glow oil, with that the one that I said that gives whitish undertone. This is good. You can go on and promise it with us. Okay, so the second one I'm going to be talking about is our pigmentos. Okay, pimento. Okay, I need to bring that. Okay, let me use this one. So this pimentos. Okay, pimentos is a lovely serum, very good serum. This pimento, one thing I want to tell you guys, this pimento has different varieties. It has different types. Like this pimentos have the one they made in Abjani, the words, yes, and it has the one they made in Cotonou, and it has the one made here in Nigeria. So if you want to buy these pimentos, tear your eye, open your eye very well, because if you get the original one of pimentos, believe me, you will love it. You will love this serum. This serum is so amazing. It takes off the hyperpigmentation, it takes off dark spots, it whitens your skin, like seriously. And you can seriously, if you know how to promise properly, you can as well add this to your face cream formulation of promising. It comes out so amazing. Okay, but when you're getting this, endeavor to get the original one of pimento serum. If not, reverse shall be the case. You have the reverse version of what you expect from this serum. So that is why you need to be so careful when you are getting any of your skincare products or skincare ingredients, or your organic, anything you want to buy. Be careful, please. So this is how our pimentos look like. Okay, so it looks like the same thing with the pack. This is just this way. This is exactly how it looks like, but believe me, all these are exaggerated one also looks like this. But if you don't have a good and a trusted seller that gives you and tell you the truth, you will fall a victim of buying the fake. Okay, so you have to be careful when getting your pimentos, and this pimentos gives that yellow undertone. So the lotion I talk about, that is the glue I talked about. Okay, this video, I just make this video especially for that review I did, and for all the chats, my people coming to my DM asking me the serum they can go for if they want to go for the one under yellow undertone, and that is why I made this review. Okay, just to satisfy you all. Okay, so this particular one, you can use it for that, the one I told you guys that gives yellow undertone. Okay, you can go on with this one, or pigeon serum. So yes, pigeon, you can as well use it if you can get the original one of pigeon. I don't know where I kept my pigeon serum. Okay, so you can as well use that pigeon serum, or use this pimentos. If you get original pimentos, believe me, you will love it. Okay, I just want to keep it so that you guys can screenshot and buy it, but endeavor buying the original one, please. Okay, so you mix this with your easy glow. This pimentos, you can the pimentos, the easy glow, just divide the lotion into two, use the whole bottle of your pimentos, then this is the serum. It's lovely. Okay, it's so lovely, so amazing. When you use it to promise your lotion, you can use this to promise it. Okay, so this is the third one. The last but not least, I'm going to be talking about, like, is among my favorite serum. Like, this serum is so amazing. It's my Glutathione Comprime. This is Glutathione Comprime Super Forte. Yes, Glutathione Comprime Super Forte. Comprime, yes, Glutathione Comprime Super Forte, Super Éclairci Satan. Yeah, I'm not afraid. Yes, the serum is so amazing, guys. So amazing. This serum is one of my favorites. Like, this serum is one of my favorite serum. Like, when I mean favorite, I mean favorite. I love it. Likewise, this pimentos. Okay, these are the serum that if you get the original one, it gives you this Gluta plus kojic extra forte. Get this, just buy this original one of these three serum I just talked about. Now you will come back and give me your testimony. Like, when you know how to promise, use these good serums. And this serum is not serum that will damage your skin. It's not a serum that will give you knuckles. This serum can't give you knuckles. When you're making, there are many serums. I might be dropping it for you guys, small. Okay, but when you're making or promising, okay, the ingredients you use in promising matters a whole lot. When you get a good ingredient, okay, use a good serum to promise your cream. You're not going to notice or experience knuckles, all this all this uniform skin tone. You just gotta have a very clean, like a clean skin tone. All right, so when getting or when you are investing on your skin, try to invest very well to get a very good and a marvelous or a sweet result, or a flawless result. How would I put it? My flawless skin, guys. So guys, this is good. Glutathione Comprime Forte is so amazing. But when getting it, endeavor getting the original one of your Glutathione. Okay, they have exactly like this that is fake. Exactly, or like this, people that can all this pain. Exactly like this, so that is exactly like this that is fake. So when you are getting, please try, I want to position this so that you can snap it. Okay, every time I make a review, I try to show you guys so you can snap, so that nobody will cheat you. Okay, so this is very good as well. You can use this Promise Your cream, use it to promise that easy glow. The one, any of the easy glow, you can use this Glutathione comprimé forte to promise them, and believe me, it's going to come so amazing. Okay, it's going to be so amazing, so lovely. Okay, this serum, it has a whole lot of fake in the market. This Gluta plus kojic forte is just like this one, the same thing. So we all need to be careful when getting all the stuffs. Okay, just try to be careful. And yeah, so this is basically for this video. And if you're in the channel, if you have been working with any of this serum that I just mentioned now, you can as well drop up your comments in the comment section. Let's know how these serums comes out for you. Okay, because believe me, I work with these serums a whole lot, and I've been selling this serum to my customers, and I have been getting a very good results and reviews from them. I can't deceive you guys. Okay, I can't deceive you guys, but when you're buying, you definitely buying the original one to get that amazing result that you desire. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a good thumbs up, like and share my video, and also turn your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. Okay, see you guys next in my next video. Bye bye for now.